Today we're going to learn about live packages, or quad 9 ebuilds. Basically what these do is they pull the package directly from the get source and compile it for you. So it is the latest version you could possibly get. You're compiling from head, basically what the developers are working with right at the moment. Sometimes these don't work, sometimes you need to fix dependencies, but generally the rule is you shouldn't really ever need to use these unless there's a specific reason to needing them. Let's say you need to put a feature that's only available in this to test and get it merged faster, but it does make finding issues and troubleshooting a hell of a lot harder. So you should always try and use a snapshot. Packages like GCC keep a weekly snapshot. If you use those, it makes it a lot easier to find out what version you're on when a break happened, and then when you're doing a bug report, it makes it a hell of a lot easier for everyone involved if you use that. But let's just say we need to use one. So today we're going to use the Phoronix test suite as the example. So what we'll do is, to enable it, is go nano / etc voltage package accept keywords. We'll call it PTS, keep it nice and easy. As you can see, I've already added it, but we'll do it again. So we use the app keyword, app benchmarks Phoronix test suite. We put an equals in front of that, and then 9999 to tell it what version. Then afterwards we do the 2 stars. And the 2 stars basically means install any ebuild that you find with the highest package version, but we've set it to 999, and it's good advice to do. Also, while we're here, if you wanted to, if there was a package with less unkeyworded packages that are lower than 99, what you can do is put a less than sign in front of that, and then it will only pick the version before the top version. That's useful if you're ever doing GCC testing, but not a lot of people will need that. It's just a good tip to remember. But in this case, we just do this. We save the file, and then we do emerge verbose pretend package name, and you can see that it's put in the 999 right there, and that's all there is to it. Okay, catch you on the next one.